Hello children, we have studied about length, mass, time, temperature, right? Now going to start volume. What is volume? First you understand. We have read that matters occupy space and all solid liquids and gases occupy space. So that is the volume means the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is called its volume. Means length, breadth and height. It is a cuboid figure. So volume of cube, this is a cube. Volume of cube, length also 1, breadth also 1 and height also 1. Okay. So what is the volume of cube? Length into breadth into height. That means 1 meter multiply 1 meter multiply 1 meter, that is 1 meter cube. So this is the volume of a cube. So the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is called its volume. Or you can say, what is volume? The space occupied by an object is called its volume. This definition is also easy to learn, to remember. The space occupied by any object is called its volume. Like glass, bottle, cylinder, cube, cuboid, your geometry box. Okay, the space occupied by an object is called its volume. With this figure you can understand, just see here what this boy is doing. Take a glass tumbler, paste a paper strip on it as shown in this figure, pour some water in the tumbler, mark the water label on the strip as A, and take a piece of stone and tie it using a string. Okay, now what you will observe, suspend the stone piece in water in the tumbler, you will observe that the level of water has risen. You see, level of water is here, and when you will put a stone, it will rise the level of water. So mark the new water level as B. It suggests that the piece of stone has displaced water equal to its volume, because it has occupied space in water, because stone has some volume, so it occupied space in water. Okay children, so measuring volume of liquids, measuring beakers are here. How you will measure the volume of liquid which a container can hold is known as the capacity of the container. What is capacity? So you can write the volume of liquid which a container can hold is known as the capacity of the container. It is also measured in units like millimeter and liter. Okay, so there are the two commonly used instruments for measuring volume of liquid: measuring beaker and measuring cylinder. So first of all, measuring beaker, you understand, measuring beaker or a measuring cylinder. See here, this is a measuring cylinder and this is a measuring can. This type of also measuring containers. Okay, a measuring cylinders figure is this. So it is generally used in laboratory to measure the to measure the volume of liquids and also to find the volume of an irregular object by measuring the displacement of water or liquid by the material. So big measuring cylinder of volume here given 0 to 100 ml, and big measuring cylinder of volume would be 200 ml and 500 ml are also available. Okay, this is a measuring cylinder. This is a measuring cylinder used by the pharmacist. Okay, this measuring beaker, these are the measuring beaker. A measuring beaker is used generally to measure a definite volume of a liquid such as a milk, oil, lubricating oil, etc. Thus they are available of different capacities such as 50 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml and 500 ml. Okay, so the capacity of beaker is marked on it. It will give a definite volume of liquid: 500, 200 and 500 ml. So this will give definite volume. Okay. So some measurement of volume of liquid by using the measuring cylinder. How you will measure? You see here. Take a measuring cylinder, wash it with water, dry it, and then place the measuring cylinder on a flat surface and then pour the given liquid completely into the measuring cylinder gently so that no liquid splashes out of the cylinder. Then you will wait for some time till the liquid becomes stationary in the cylinder, and you will notice that the meniscus, that is upper surface, meniscus is upper surface, and of a liquid is curved when the liquid becomes stationary. And read the level of liquid in the measuring cylinder by keeping your eye horizontally in line of the lower surface of liquid, that is lower meniscus. And in figure reading 70 ml. So this is your 70 ml liquid. Okay. By using measuring beaker also, exact volume you will get 500, 200. Okay. So 500 ml, you pour some water or any liquid, and then you can measure any milk also. So this will give you exact volume. Now measurement of volume of regular objects. Volume of regular object means like cube, cuboid. No? So you need to understand the formula. Just I have taught this volume of cube, that is side into side into side, that is side cube, or you can write a cube. Volume of cuboid would be length into breadth into height. Volume of sphere would be 4 by 3 pi r cube. These are the formulas. Volume of cylinder, pi r square into height. Volume of cone, pi by 3 into r square h. The pi value is 3.14 or 22 by 7. Now measuring of volume of an irregular body. How you will measure the volume of an irregular body, children? So first of all, just see here, measuring the volume of piece of stone, that is irregular object. Okay, you have to measure the volume of a stone. So first of all, see, you will take the water level up to 60 ml. Okay, when you will put the stone tied with the string and put inside the beaker, this you will notice that it will rise the level of water. So first is 60, then it will become how much? Definitely it will go up, it will become 80 ml. So this is initial and this is your final position. So initial level of water is 60 ml. Okay, now when you will level of water when the stone is immersed, you will get 80 ml. So what is the volume of water displaced? So 80 minus 60, you will get 20 ml. So 20 ml water displaced. So what is the volume of piece of stone? 20 centimeter cube. How centimeter cube? Ml will 1 ml equal to 1 centimeter cube. So multiply by 1, you will get 20 centimeter cube. The volume of an empty vessel like bottle can be found by filling it completely with water and then pouring the water in a clean measuring cylinder. Okay, so volume you revise, children. Density will understand in next class.